Hello and welcome to our today's session. We are going to be looking at how to create two tables in our MySQL. In our previous video, we looked at the structure of creating a table, and now we are going to put that into proper perspective. We are having two tables. The first table is called the owner, and the other table is called the car. So let's first of all look at the contents of the owner table. As you can see, the owner table has three columns, namely ID number, names, and the date of birth. The next thing we need to ask ourselves is the data types for each of those particular columns. ID number is an integer, names is a variable character, and date of birth is a date. The other thing that you need to ask yourself is, amongst the three of them, which is the primary key? And we can see that ID number, which is our unique identifier, qualifies to be our primary key. So let's shift to MySQL and create the following table. Now that we are in MySQL, if you recall, we had dropped our previous database, and so we'll have to recreate it again. Create database vehicle, then we put a semicolon. The database is created. We need to select that particular database by using the command use vehicle, and the database has been changed, and you can actually confirm that that's the database that we are working with by using this particular command, and you can see that is our current database. To create a table, we type the command create table owner, then you put our opening bracket. It has three fields. The first field is ID number, which is an integer, and then we can force it. It's not going to be not null, and then it's a primary key. We put a comma because we have another field. The next field is names. It's a varchar. We can put around 20 sets of values, again not null. The next one is the date of birth, is a date, and then we close our table and we put a semicolon and we press enter, and it's going to indicate for us query OK, implying that that table has been. If you look at our owners table, it's related to another table called the car table, which has the following columns, namely registration number, the make, the color, the price, and the ID number. And as you can see, it indicates that an owner may either not have a car, may have one car or more than one car, but a car can only belong to one particular owner. And it's for that reason that you can see that our ID number is a foreign key in the cars table. So we are going to go ahead and create this car table. We'll begin with the command create table car. We open our brackets. We begin with the first field, which is reg number. It's a varchar. It's not null, primary key. We put a comma. The next one is make. It's equally a varchar. Not null. We put a comma. The next one is color, which is also a varchar. The other one is the price. In this given case, it's an int. We can say not null. The next one is ID number, which is an int, not null. And then we now need to provide our foreign key constraints. So we say foreign key which field, it's ID number, and then we need to say it references the table owner, and then which particular field, ID number, and then we just close our table. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson, where we shall be looking at how do we view the tables that we have just created.